All right, today's date is July 15th, 2022. In Hardeman County, Texas, I call cause number 10101 in the interest of Debonae Ariana Haynes. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Present by telephone are Deborah Bivens. Are you ready, Ms. Bivens?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by telephone is Ricky Bivens. Are you ready to proceed, Mr. Bivens?
Yes, ma'am.
The court's file reflects that Dwayne Haynes was served with notice of these proceedings on May 23rd of 2022. There has been no answer or appearance on behalf of Mr. Haynes. This meeting was set for 9:30 and it's now approximately 9:45, so we are proceeding without him. You may call your first witness, Ms. Koontz.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Deborah Bivens.
Ms. Bivens, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Koontz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Bivens, have you or Mr. Bivens received any direct payments from Mr. Haynes that would not be reflected in the state's payment record?
No.
Okay, and Your Honor, I ask that the payment record be placed in evidence as State's Exhibit 1.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Bivens, do you understand that based on that payment record, the state would be requesting judgments against Mr. Haynes for the amounts he owes as of May 31st of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and those amounts would be $16,412.94 for child support arrears and $2,777.68 for medical arrears. Are you in agreement with the court entering judgments against Mr. Haynes for those amounts?
Yes.
Okay. Previously, there was a court order that included a child support judgment with a $150 per month payment plan set on that. Would you like the court to keep the payment plan on the child support arrears $150 per month?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And we've also administratively asked for $40 per month to go towards the medical arrears. And in recent weeks, Mr. Haynes has been meeting his current support obligation, the $150 plus the $40. Are you wanting the payments to continue as they are so that he's also be ordered to pay the $40 per month toward the medical arrears?
Yes.
Okay. I pass the witness.
All right. Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Bivens, that hasn't come up through the question and answer?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Koontz, you may call your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Ricky Bivens.
Mr. Bivens, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Ms. Koontz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Bivens, you've also not received any direct payments from Mr. Haynes?
No.
Okay. Do you also want the payments on the arrearages to continue as they have been, $150 per month on the child support arrears, $40 per month on the medical arrears?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand the state is requesting judgments against Mr. Haynes for the amounts he owed as of the end of May 2022?
Yes.
And are you in agreement with those judgments being entered against Mr. Haynes for child support arrears in the amount of $16,412.94 and medical arrears in the amount of $2,777.68?
Yes.
I pass the witness.
Anything else you want me to know, Mr. Bivens?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ms. Coons, what's the state requesting?
Your Honor, we would like to non-suit the request for modification. We do have employment information on Mr. Haynes, and he has been paying. It's my understanding the facility he's at is a reentry facility that helps with job placement prior to release. It is my understanding that he is in fact employed. So we're just asking to proceed as to the judgments. We request that judgments be entered against Mr. Haynes as of May 31st, 2022 for child support arrears in the amount of $16,412.94, medical arrears in the amount of $2,777.68. And we request that he be ordered to pay the child support arrears at $150 per month and the medical arrears at $40 per month.
All right, I'm granting those requests for the money judgments on both the child support and the medical support. I'm ordering the current child support to continue as previously ordered. Clearly, Mr. Haynes has resources as evidenced by State's Exhibit number 1 that shows the payments coming in. So I'm waiving court costs in this matter. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
We'll take the judgments as of May 31st of 2022 and start the payments on August 1st,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2022. All right. Ms. Coons is going to prepare that order for my signature, and I'm going to sign off on it. There is a 3-day period during which anybody could request a new hearing. If somebody does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order will start to become final. You should get a copy in about 2 weeks, either by email or regular mail. How is Debonair doing?
She's doing fine, thank you.
How old is she now?
She's 17 now, and she's at the state FFA convention. She achieved the Lone Star Farmer degree this week.
Super. That's exciting. I know if she's in FFA, she puts in a lot of work.
Yes, ma'am.
It's such an excellent program. I'm glad to hear that she's doing so well. Thank you both for appearing today. We are done. So
Thank you.
your order in about 2 weeks, and good luck to you and to Debonair as well.